Right now, somebody with less experience than you, less money than you, and honestly, less talent than you is building an online store in a weekend that would take most people 3 months. And the only difference is how they're working. They figured out that the whole game changed, that the manual grind everybody still teaches is basically dead. And they quietly started using AI to do the heavy lifting. So in this video, I'm going to show you the actual workflow, not theory, the real step-by-step of how AI builds, sources, and lists products faster than you can do it by hand, and where most people stall out before they even make a dollar. So I'm going to walk you through the real process, show you exactly where Doba fits and where it doesn't, and you decide for yourself. No hype, no quit your job Friday nonsense. If you're someone who keeps researching how to start a store but never actually launches, or you launched and now you're drowning in busy work instead of growing, this is the one for you. Let's get into it. Now, here's what nobody tells you when you decide to start dropshipping. The hard part was never finding a product. The hard part is that there are 3 specific places where almost everyone quietly gives up. Let me name them because you've probably already hit at least one already. Problem 1, the product research rabbit hole. You watch a video that says, here's a winning product. You find it, you list it, and 2 weeks later it's dead because 40,000 other people watched the same video. You're chasing random products instead of running a system. That's not a business, that's a slot machine. Problem 2, sourcing and fulfillment risk. Say you do find something. Now you're sourcing from some random supplier you've never met. Shipping times are 3 to 5 weeks, and your US customers who expect their stuff in days start filing chargebacks. One bad supplier can wipe out your store's reputation before you built one. Problem 3, the listing grind. And let's say you survive both of those. Now you're manually writing descriptions, formatting images, importing products one at a time, fixing titles for hours. That's the part that quietly kills momentum because it has nothing to do with growing your store. It's just a tax on your time. So research, sourcing, listing, 3 choke points. And here's the shift. AI is now genuinely good at all 3. That's not a future thing. That's a right now thing. So let me map it out. On research, instead of guessing off a trend video, Doba sits on 20 plus years of market data plus curated sourcing and product discovery tools. So you're finding product ideas off real data instead of chasing whatever was hot last Tuesday. That's the difference between a system and a slot machine. On sourcing and fulfillment, this is the one that actually matters most for serving US customers. Doba runs about 90% US stock with faster shipping. So you're not gambling on a 3-week boat from overseas. You're shipping domestically, which is the whole ball game for keeping American customers happy. And on the listing grid, this is where the AI piece really earns its keep. Doba lets you build and stock your store with AI and do AI auto listing. So instead of manually writing and formatting every product, you're generating listings in seconds and pushing them straight to Shopify or BigCommerce. The busy work I described 2 minutes ago, that's the part that mostly disappears. Plus 24/7 support, which matters more than people think when you're new and something breaks at midnight. So that's the workflow. Discover off real data, source from US stock, list with AI, manage it in one place. Now, which version of Doba you actually want depends entirely on what stage you're in. And that's where the mid-year thing comes in. So Doba is running their mid-year growth carnival right now. And the part that I actually like about it is that it's not just, here's a discount, go. It's built around the idea that you should pick based on where your business is going next, not just the cheapest plan. They pair a discounted plan with a matching bonus growth kit for whatever stage you're in. There are a few of them, but I'm going to be straight with you about which one fits most of the people watching this. If you're starting out or you've been casually testing and you're ready to get serious about the second half of this year, the one I'd point you to is the basic annual plan with the growth pack. Here's why. It's around $48 a month instead of $60, but the real value is the runway. You're saving $145 on the plan. Plus, the growth pack stacks on about $280 in value. So it's roughly $425 in total savings. And you get 60 days free to actually build before you're paying full freight. The growth pack itself gives you more listing capacity. 30 AI auto listings every cycle, a masterclass to get you moving, and featured product selection. Translation, more room to test, and the AI doing the listing work while you do it. For someone building into Q3 and back to school season, that's the sweet spot. Now, if you're already running a store and you're scaling, there's a bigger one, the standard annual with the elite expansion pack, more AI credits, an AI listing migrator, way more capacity, around 800 in total savings. Now, I'm not going to push that on you if you're just starting because you don't need it yet, but it's there when you outgrow the first one. Pick for where you are now. Let me actually show you the page so this isn't abstract. So this is the mid-year growth carnival page. I'll drop the link in the description. You come in here and you can see the bundles laid out by stage: starter, growth, pro, and elite. For most of you, you're landing on the basic annual with the growth pack right here. And the page breaks it down for you. Your planned savings, the bonus growth kit that's included, and your total savings all in one spot. So you can see exactly what you're getting before you commit to anything. When you're ready, you hit get this bundle and it takes you through to checkout. One thing, and this matters, make sure the bonus growth kit stays selected as you go through. That's the part that gives you the extra capacity and the AI listing, so you don't want to accidentally drop it. Keep it checked, and it activates right alongside your plan. Now, I'm not going to run my actual payment on camera, but that's the whole path. Clean and simple. Now, maybe you're watching this thinking, I like it, but I'm not ready to commit to a full year yet. That's totally fair. I'd rather you start small than not start at all. So here's the zero pressure option. You can grab a 7-day basic trial or a 5-day standard trial for 99 cents. Basically $1 to go in, test the AI agent, poke around the sourcing tools, and see if the workflow actually fits how you work before you spend real money. If you're on the fence, that's how you get off of it without any risk. But let me be real with you for a second, because you know I don't do the get rich quick thing. A tool doesn't build the business, you do. Doba removes the busy work, the research guessing, the sourcing risk, the manual listing grind. So the time you put in actually goes towards growing instead of just spinning your wheels. That's the pitch. No guarantees, no fancy numbers, just a better workflow. So if you're getting your store ready for the back half of this year, check out the mid-year growth carnival through the link in the description. Find the bundle that fits where you are right now. For most of you, that's the basic annual with the growth pack. And if you're not ready, take the $1 trial and just start.